All right. So this is Assistments. It is a really cool tool that lets you use curriculum you're already using, but have students interact with it online. So first, you're going to start by clicking this login button. And once you're here, you select the curriculum you use. We use illustrative math, so that's what I'm going to pick. I'm a 7th grade teacher, so I pick 7th grade. And then we have all the different units. So we'll just start with Unit 1. You have your different choices. At the end of each lesson, you typically give students a practice problem to work through. There are also the student-facing tasks. This is what students work through as the core of the lesson. And then there are the cool downs, which is like the SWIC ticket at the end of the lesson. If we wanted to assign a student-facing task, we could pick lesson 1. We get to choose what problems we want to assign. So you can see all of the different problems that are here, and they match what's in illustrative math, grade 7, unit 1, lesson 1. All these problems are exactly the same. So I'm going to select all problems because I like all the problems. And then I'm going to click Assign to Google Classroom. I can choose which class I want to assign it to, and it will assign it to my Google Classroom. If you wanted to view what the students see, you can click these 3 dots over here, and it allows you to see what the students see. So this is what the students will see when they're trying to go through and solve these problems. So here's a portrait of a student. Look at portraits A through E. How is each one the same or different? So it's a free response, so they can type whatever it is that they want to type, and we can see what they say. On the teacher end, you would go into your Google Classroom and open up your class, and you should see that you posted a new assignment 7.1. You can click on that assignment, click instructions, and then if you click on the assignment itself, it will show you exactly what the students did. So at the very top, this is each problem, and it has the average answer for each problem. So we can see that students didn't do as well on this question. If you don't remember what the question is, you can click on it here, and it will show you what that question looks like. Okay. You can also see how each student performed. So there's only one student that took it. It was me. And this is all of the things that I answered. Now, a green check mark means that they got the answer right on their first try. A green X means that they didn't get it right on their first try, but they did get it right. So in this example, on my first try, the student said 6, and the correct answer was actually 8. The only thing that isn't scored is this essay scoring portion. So this was like a free response question. So if it's a free response question and we want to respond and give them points on it, you click essay scoring, and you can score it however you want. So if we read this and we thought, oh my goodness, this was the best answer, we could give them a 4. And then you can actually write what you want them to see. So if I say, great work, that is what the student sees when they look at their score.